Hi guys, good morning. Good morning everyone. Today I'm unboxing my Temu. This is the second time I'm ordering from Temu, so I'm really excited and I wish to unbox it on camera. This is the second time I'm ordering. First time I was I ordered it 8 days ago. I was thinking it would reach up to 14 days, but surprisingly it came before the 14 days. So I'm super happy. Temu is doing well and I'm happy about it. It's not that I'm advertising for them, but if you do well, if you do good, I will tell you you're doing good. So I'm pretty excited that the order came, and I believe and I hope everything I ordered came as I wanted. So that is that. Let's see what's inside. You can see my face is coming back to life bit by bit. Let me get a scissor. Oh, this for my daughter. It's okay. This for washing tiles in the toilet. This is for my daughter. Wow. Oh, it's not bad. Wonderful. I love this. Oh my god, I did well. See, I will tell you the secret. If you want to shop, especially clothes in Temu, please, anytime you're picking clothes, make sure you're with your tape. Yes, measuring tape, telo tape. Yes, maybe I'll make a special video on that. I'm super happy I got the correct measurement for my daughter. This will suit her like. This feels like hair packer. Is it? This is not good. This is not good, but it will go for the sister. I didn't get this size right, so to be for my newborn. This is for my pretty newborn. This will be for the newborn. It's okay. This is my own. Oh, this beautiful. I love this. This is exactly my size. This is beautiful. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. Seriously, I really love this. Shopping in Temu is a great deal. Wow, the texture of the sauce is great. Oh my god, this is good. This is good. This is good. I have more. You can see the texture is fire. It's really good. I love that. This is still my own. This my tamarware. This is beautiful. I love it. You put it inside before wearing clothes. I think I did a good shopping. This is exactly my size. This is lovely. Seriously, I did a good shopping. This is my size. Oh, the more I appreciate. That's good. This is for my newborn sister. This is for my newborn. Okay. This socks also. I just saw this and I love it. Though it's not up to £1, so I just love it. It's not up to £1, 0 point something. So I picked it. It's so stretchy. At least for my daughter. It's not for anything. This is also for my daughter. You can see it will enter her. It will suit her so well. I did a good shopping. I'm excited. I did a good shopping. This is lovely. This is lovely. And it's stretchy. So lovely and nice. The texture is giving. It's really giving. Just imagine. Just see. It's really giving. I did a good shopping. Seriously. I'm appreciating myself. I got this for myself. I know now. I say it will be. See, 41. Oh no. This not really up that I wanted. It's not looking as if it's my size, but let's keep it down for I ordered one, so where are they two? I ordered this one. Maybe they gave me extra. Maybe a gift. Who knows? My daughter will soon start school. This is her lunch bag. This is her lunch box bag. You can see it's nice. Yay! I love this bag so much. I use this bag for my daughter in Nigeria, and I love it. So this time around I still choose it for my daughter here, and I'm happy about that. So that is that. You can see the bag. This one is not looking as if it's big, but it's okay. It's baby diaper bag, so I'm happy. It's okay. You can see it's pretty fine and okay. Don't mind the color. The color is very nice from here. I love the color. It's okay. From here, it's really okay. So I appreciate the color because it's like trampoline and it can easily be washed. So that's why I'm happy about it. Okay. This is another sauce for my daughter. This is their sauce, but it's okay. It's stretchy, that's the main thing. There's more. So now she has more than enough sauce now. I can discard the old ones. So this is like let's see what's inside. Don't tell me that I am around. Oh, this is beautiful. This is mine. I need water therapy. Yeah, I need to be taking more water these days. So I got this for myself. So for water. So cheap. £2 something. Very cheap. Temu is pretty good though. School bag for my daughter. She'll be happy to see this. This is exactly, she needs a small bag. This is beautiful. She's just starting school, so I'm so happy she has a school bag now. This is beautiful. Wow. Ooh, Temu, I'm happy. I'm super happy. The things I ordered really beautiful. Okay. Another flask for her. This for her. This is also for my daughter. No spice needs. For school. She have a food flask in case I want to use this. I can use it for her. Or I want to use this. Okay. This is her shoe. Oh God, I pray this is my daughter's size. If it's her size, I will celebrate. But it's looking like her size. Really looking like her size. I'm so happy. It's nice. So I believe it will be her size. It's looking like her size. I love this. I did a good shopping. This is first time of shopping things online like this. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This is another lunch box for her. I got two. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow, this is beautiful. This is nice. You can see the inside. Just the funniest part is these things are so cheap. So cheap on Temu. I think I'm falling in love with Temu these days. Look one. I'm thinking I'm falling in love with Temu in these days. So you can see, you can put for her in her lunch box. You can see it's up. You can see she can take it like this to school. With her school bag. Ooh. Temu shopping. I'm pretty excited since I ordered versus what I got. Okay. This one I decided to buy for myself. Oh, pretty nice. Oh, this is beautiful. It's not tight. That's one good thing about this. It's not tight. It's just fine. It's just normal. This is beautiful. Look at it. Now I have to. Seriously, I'll be shopping in Temu these days because the things are pretty cheap and nice. Gold is my best color, but I think the red one suits me right more than the gold. I think this suits me right more than the gold, so I'm happy. The knives I have here in my kitchen is so bad, so I got this knife sharpener. Okay, you can sharpen your knife. This is good. Okay, I got two lunch box or bag for her. You can see this one also. This is also nice. You can put this, you put her flask, see that? Just imagine, save, good. It's okay. So that is that. So we'll have enough socks for the house. I got some for myself and my husband. We'll have enough socks. Okay, this is for my stomach. This is just like Guido. Okay, but it's looking small because the stomach is going in already. You can see the stomach is already going in. So I don't know what I'll be needing it for. Let it be here. Because things are so cheap in Temu that you begin to wonder. Whether you are in a Onowa market, this okay. Oh, this is beautiful. This is perfect for me. You can see. Wow, this is okay. I love this. Okay. I got this for cleaning our nails and toes. Okay. And lastly, I have this for my newborn. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching, please join this lovely channel. Subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and be a part of this lovely channel. Subscribe, like, and share. Okay. This baby hanger. Wow, this is lovely. Wow. Wow, it needs back so I have to let me show you what it looks like. You can see what it looks like here. You put it in baby cuts. This is beautiful. Appreciate my. This is so nice. I'm happy. The shopping worth it. It worth it though. I'm super excited. I'm super excited. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is my daughter's size. I got the perfect size. I'm happy about that. Thanks for watching. Bye.